Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the basics. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and observe CPU, memory, and disk spikes so you know what's causing the lag. Once identified, close or suspend heavy apps to free resources, and make sure drivers and the operating system are up to date because outdated drivers can slow rendering and I/O. You'll act now, terminate background processes, note which resource is saturated, and prepare to adjust settings in the next step. Now you fine-tune the environment. Reduce resolution or graphics quality if the GPU is the bottleneck, because fewer pixels and effects drop load immediately. Then switch to a high-performance power plan, disable non-essential startup programs, and stop unneeded services so CPU cycles return to your task. Clean temporary files and caches to improve disk performance, disable overlays that add latency, and run a quick malware scan, since hidden processes can silently chew resources and cause intermittent lag. Finish by diagnosing network causes. Run a ping test and check packet loss, and if jitter or latency is high, plug in with Ethernet because wired connections cut out wireless instability. Throttle or pause background syncing and enable router co-S to prioritize your traffic. If problems persist, reboot your PC and modem, reinstall or rollback drivers, and document recent changes you can undo. One troubleshooting tip: if lag returns intermittently, create
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.